Hi everyone, I'm Idam and today I want to reflect on critical topic I've recently explored, need analysis in material development. As student and teacher candidate, I've come to appreciate how central this concept is to effective teaching and learning. I'd like to share my thought on how this process impacts that both learners and educators and how I see the shaping my own approach as a future educators. To begin, need analysis, or we can say NA, plays a crucial role in developing educational materials that truly serve the learners. It involves gathering information to identify specific learning and needs for students, which then become the foundation for creating target curricula. I've learned that this is not just about filling knowledge gaps, but also about addressing a wide range of factors like students' cognitive, emotional, social, and environmental needs. Example, as a student myself, I've experienced firsthand how the materials that best supported my learning were those that catered to my individual needs, whether they helped me overcome challenges or enhance my motivation. This is something I now realize was the result of thoughtful needs analysis by my instructor. It's not just about presenting information but making sure that it's relevant and accessible to the learner. As a future teacher, I've come to understand that knowing the learner's lack and wants is just as important as understanding the subject matter itself. For instance, in a classroom with diverse learning style, we as a teacher have to cater the different needs. Some students may prefer visual learning while others may engage more deeply through discussion or hands-on activities. Therefore, the materials I plan to develop must reflect this variety and ensure inclusivity in learning. One of the key elements of need analysis that resonated with me is the idea of attitudes, how students feel about learning, and how their motivation and anxiety can impact their ability to absorb new materials. In my own experience, the courses where I felt most engaged were those where the materials connected with my interests and made me feel confident in my abilities. As a future teacher, I want to ensure that my materials reduce anxiety and create a more welcoming environment for all students. I've also learned that needs analysis is not just about identifying what students need, it's about addressing the potential challenges that can arise in the learning process. For example, if there's a lack of motivation or if students feel overwhelmed by the content, this can lead to disengagement. Therefore, I see my role as a teacher to not only deliver content but also create strategies that address these emotional and cognitive barriers. As a teacher candidate, I need to apply different types of needs analysis, target needs, learning needs, and even social needs to ensure that my materials and method are effective in different contexts, whether that's in a traditional classroom, online, or in hybrid environments. In conclusion, my deeper understanding of needs analysis in my material development has not only helped me appreciate the complexity of curriculum design, but has also prepared me for my future role as a future educator. I believe by focusing on the needs of learners and creating materials that cater to their diverse experiences, we can create more engaging and meaningful educational experience. This process is not static. It's something that evolves as we interact with students and respond to their feedback. I'm excited to apply this insight in my teaching journey and see how they shape my future classroom. Thank you for watching, and I hope this reflection give you a new perspective on the importance of need analysis in education.